If you want to upload brand music on CapCut, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you're adding a custom soundtrack, a brand intro, or your own audio identity to a video project, this is one of the easiest ways to bring your music into CapCut and place it right on your timeline. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your project inside CapCut and make sure you're on the main editing screen. Once your project is open, look at the top of the screen and click the Audio tab. This is where CapCut keeps all of your sound tools, including imported audio, music, and other sound options. After that, find the Import button and click it. A file window will open on your device, allowing you to browse through your folders and choose the brand music file you want to use. Select your audio file, then click Open to bring it into CapCut. As soon as the file is imported, you should see it appear inside your audio library or media area. Now comes the next important step. Click and drag the brand music file down onto the timeline. This places the audio directly into your project so you can line it up with your video content. From there, you can move it left or right to match your scene, trim the audio if needed, or adjust the volume to fit your edit. If you need the music to start at a specific point, just drag it to the exact frame where you want it to begin. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded brand music on CapCut and added it to your timeline. It's a simple process, but once you know where to click, it becomes much faster for future projects. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.